How to find Instagram friend on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Search the person profile or whose you want to add on Snapchat. In their profile, on bio, or anywhere you may find Snapchat username, or simply in their highlight, you may find their scan code. Simply screenshot the code, open Snapchat, then click on chat option on bottom. Or simply you'll find add friend option on top right. In here, simply search the person's name, or if you want to scan, simply click on QR code on top right corner of your screen and scan the code and add them as a friend. This is how to find Instagram friend on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.